Hey there, and welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to transform your hair, Eva NYC's Therapy Session Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. If your hair has been feeling a little tired, dry, or damaged, this might just be the remedy you've been searching for. Let's dive right in and see what makes this deep conditioning mask stand out in the crowded world of hair care. This isn't just your average hair mask. Eva NYC's Therapy Session Deep Conditioning Hair Mask comes in a generous 13.5 fel jar, and it's packed with ingredients like jojoba oil and vitamin B5, both of which are known for their ability to nourish and deeply hydrate. Jojoba oil, in particular, is great for replenishing moisture and bringing back the softness to hair that's been stripped of its natural oils. Vitamin B5 is a powerhouse when it comes to hydration, helping your strands retain moisture and become more manageable. When you first scoop out the product, you'll notice how rich and creamy it is. The texture is luxurious, smooth and easy to apply, but not too heavy. After shampooing, all you need to do is massage it from the mid-lengths to the ends, leave it in for about 3 to 5 minutes, and rinse. It's a simple process, but the results are pretty impressive. I've been using this mask for a few weeks now, and I've noticed a difference. My hair feels softer, stronger, and healthier looking. It definitely gives the appearance of healthier hair after just one use, which is impressive for a deep conditioner. It really helps to smooth out frizz, giving my hair a more polished look. One thing I really appreciate about this product is how versatile it is. You can use it weekly or more often if your hair is in need of some extra TLC. And given the richness of the product, a little goes a long way, so it's not something that you'll be using up quickly. In terms of downsides, the only thing to note is that if you have fine hair, you may want to use this sparingly. It's a pretty rich formula, so you don't want to overload your hair with too much product. On the other hand, if you have dry or thick hair, you'll love the nourishment it provides. Now let's talk about value for money. Eva NYC's Therapy Session Deep Conditioning Hair Mask is priced on the higher side compared to some other deep conditioners on the market, but given the quality of the ingredients, I'd say it's worth the price. The inclusion of responsibly sourced ingredients is a nice bonus, especially if you're someone who prefers products that are better for the environment and free from over 1,300 harmful ingredients. That's a pretty impressive claim. If you're looking for alternatives, there are some other masks on the market that offer similar benefits. But in terms of high-quality ingredients and the rich texture, I think this is a solid investment, especially if you're someone with dry or damaged hair. As for packaging, I think it's well designed. The jar is sturdy and the lid closes tightly, so you don't have to worry about it spilling or drying out. The formula also lasts a decent amount of time, which means you'll get good mileage from this product. When it comes to the customer experience, I haven't had direct interactions with their customer support, but Eva NYC is known for being pretty responsive and approachable when it comes to inquiries. That's always a good sign. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a luxurious, deeply hydrating and fortifying hair mask that actually works to restore softness and strength, Eva NYC's Therapy Session Deep Conditioning Hair Mask is definitely one to consider. It's particularly great for those with dry or damaged hair, but anyone looking to maintain healthy, shiny strands will benefit as well. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.